Welcome to Pure Vital Life, where we explore the essential minerals that keep your body functioning at its absolute highest potential. Today we uncover the secrets of magnesium, a powerful nutrient that dictates everything from your muscle strength to your mental peace. Magnesium is often called the master mineral because it is responsible for over 300 different biochemical reactions in your body. Despite its importance, statistics show that a vast majority of people are unknowingly walking around with a chronic magnesium deficiency today. This silent deficiency can manifest in subtle ways at first, but eventually it disrupts your daily life and your overall well-being. Understanding the signs your body sends you is the first step toward reclaiming your health and restoring your natural energy balance. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the warning signs, the risk groups, and the safety protocols you need. We will also discuss who should absolutely avoid magnesium supplements to prevent serious health complications and dangerous interactions with other medications. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use magnesium safely to optimize your life and health. Let us begin by identifying the critical warning signs that indicate your body is crying out for more of this mineral. The first and most common sign relates to your muscles, specifically those painful cramps that often strike when you are sleeping. Magnesium acts as a natural relaxant for your muscles, allowing them to let go after contraction instead of staying tightly locked. Without enough magnesium, calcium floods the muscle cells, causing continuous contraction, which leads to stiffness, pain, and those unbearable leg cramps. Another subtle but annoying symptom is the twitching of your eyelids, a small signal that your nervous system is overexcited. You might also experience numbness or tingling in your hands and feet, indicating that nerve transmission is not functioning quite correctly. These physical sensations are your body's early warning system, telling you that your electrolyte balance is off and needs immediate attention. Do not ignore these muscle twitches or feelings of numbness, as they often precede more severe symptoms of long-term magnesium deficiency. Beyond the physical muscles, magnesium plays a massive role in your mental health and the regulation of your daily mood. Anxiety and chronic stress are deeply connected to low magnesium levels, creating a vicious cycle that is hard to break alone. When you are stressed, your body burns through magnesium rapidly, which leaves you depleted and even more susceptible to future stress. This deficiency directly impacts your sleep quality, leading to insomnia or the inability to stay asleep throughout the entire night. Magnesium is required to produce GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that helps your brain switch off and relax before you go to bed. Without enough of this mineral, your mind continues to race, preventing you from entering the deep, restorative stages of sleep you need. If you find yourself tired but wired, unable to relax despite being exhausted, magnesium deficiency might be the root cause. Your heart is also a muscle, and low magnesium can cause it to beat irregularly, leading to palpitations or flutters. These heart flutters can be frightening, serving as a potent reminder that your cardiovascular system relies heavily on this essential mineral. Magnesium helps regulate the electrical signals in your heart, keeping the rhythm steady and preventing chaotic electrical activity in the chest. Digestive issues are another clue, as magnesium helps relax the muscles of the digestive tract and supports healthy bowel movements daily. Chronic constipation is frequently linked to low magnesium, as the intestines lack the ability to contract and relax rhythmically to move waste. Recognizing this combination of symptoms, muscle cramps, anxiety, heart flutters, and digestion issues, is key to identifying a potential magnesium deficiency. Now that we know the signs, we must identify who is most at risk of falling into this dangerous deficiency trap. The first major group is the elderly, as our body's ability to absorb magnesium from food naturally declines as we age. Aging digestive systems become less efficient, meaning even if you eat a healthy diet, you might not absorb enough minerals. Additionally, older adults often consume lower amounts of magnesium-rich foods, compounding the problem of poor absorption and increasing the deficiency risk. People with type 2 diabetes are also at extremely high risk because high blood sugar levels cause the kidneys to flush magnesium. This creates a state of constant depletion, where the body loses magnesium faster than it can possibly replace it through food. Those who frequently consume alcohol are another critical group, as alcohol acts as a diuretic that specifically chronic alcohol use damages the digestive lining and impairs the liver, making it nearly impossible to maintain healthy magnesium levels. If you are taking diuretic medications for blood pressure, you are artificially forcing your kidneys to excrete essential minerals, including magnesium. Similarly, long-term use of stomach acid reducers blocks the absorption of magnesium, as acid is necessary to break down minerals. Without sufficient stomach acid, the magnesium you eat simply passes through your system without ever entering your bloodstream to do work. Finally, anyone consuming a highly processed diet is at risk, as refining grains removes almost all of the natural magnesium content. Modern agriculture and food processing have systematically stripped this vital mineral from our daily meals, making supplementation often necessary for many. Even vegetables grown today contain significantly less magnesium than they did 50 years ago due to widespread soil depletion globally. This means that relying solely on diet is becoming increasingly difficult, especially if you fall into one of these high-risk categories. Athletes in heavy sweaters also lose magnesium rapidly through their pores, requiring higher intake to maintain performance and prevent cramping. For active individuals, a deficiency can mean the difference between completing a race and collapsing from muscle failure mid-event. If you identify with any of these groups, you should consider monitoring your magnesium levels closely to prevent future health issues. However, magnesium is not safe for everyone, and there are 4 specific groups who must never take it without medical supervision. The first and most critical group includes anyone suffering from kidney disease or compromised renal function of any significant degree. Your kidneys are the gatekeepers that remove excess magnesium. If they fail, magnesium accumulates to toxic levels, which can be fatal. This toxicity, known as hypermagnesemia, can lead to respiratory paralysis, cardiac arrest, and a complete shutdown of your nervous system. If you are on dialysis or have any history of kidney failure, strictly avoid magnesium supplements unless explicitly prescribed by your nephrologist. The second group consists of individuals who already suffer from chronically low blood pressure, also known medically as hypotension. Magnesium is a natural vasodilator, meaning it relaxes blood vessels. For someone with low pressure, this can cause dangerous drops. Taking magnesium could make you feel dizzy, faint, or weak if your blood pressure is already struggling to stay up. Always check your blood pressure regularly if you plan to supplement, and stop immediately if you experience lightheadedness or fainting spells. The third group involves those with a slow heart rate or bradycardia, as well as certain types of heart block. Magnesium slows down the electrical conduction in the heart. If your heart is already slow, this can become life-threatening. People with heart block or electrical disorders must consult a cardiologist, as magnesium can worsen these pre-existing conduction issues significantly. The fourth group includes anyone taking specific medications like digoxin, certain antibiotics, or muscle relaxants used for surgery or pain. Magnesium can bind to antibiotics in your stomach, preventing them from being absorbed and leaving your infection completely untreated. It is crucial to separate magnesium intake from these medications by at least 2 to 4 hours to ensure safety. Combining magnesium with muscle relaxants can cause excessive relaxation, leading to breathing difficulties or extreme physical weakness that is dangerous. Always provide your doctor or pharmacist with a full list of your supplements to check for these potentially hazardous interactions. If you fall into any of these 4 categories, the risks of supplementation likely outweigh the benefits without professional guidance. For everyone else, magnesium can be a game changer if used correctly, so let us discuss the safest protocols for supplementation. The golden rule is to start low and go slow. Begin with a small dose of around 100 milligrams. Starting with a high dose can shock your digestive system, leading to immediate diarrhea and abdominal cramping that is unpleasant. Allow your body to adjust to the new mineral intake over a week before you consider gradually increasing the dosage. Not all magnesium is created equal. The form you choose determines whether it heals you or just sends you to the bathroom. Magnesium glycinate is widely considered the best form for relaxation and sleep because it is gentle on the stomach and highly absorbable. Magnesium malate is excellent for energy and muscle pain, making it a perfect choice for those with fatigue or fibromyalgia. Avoid magnesium oxide if possible. It has a very low absorption rate and is mostly used as a strong laxative. Timing matters just as much as the type. The best time to take magnesium is generally during or after your dinner. Taking it with food utilizes your natural stomach acid to break it down, reducing the chance of stomach upset or nausea. Never take magnesium on an empty stomach, as it can irritate the lining and cause immediate digestive distress and loose stools. However, avoid taking it with an excessively high fiber meal, as too much fiber can bind to the mineral and prevent absorption. A standard, balanced dinner provides the perfect environment for magnesium to be absorbed into your bloodstream and utilized effectively overnight. Since magnesium has a calming effect, taking it at dinner helps prepare your nervous system for a restful and deep sleep. While you sleep, the magnesium works to repair muscles, regulate hormones, and recharge your energy stores for the day ahead. You will likely notice that you wake up feeling more refreshed, with less muscle stiffness and a clearer, sharper mind. Consistency is key. It may take a few weeks to correct a long-term deficiency, so do not expect overnight miracles. Make it a part of your nightly routine, just like brushing your teeth, to ensure your body gets steady support. You can also improve absorption by ensuring you have adequate levels of vitamin D and B6, which work synergistically with magnesium. These nutrients act as cofactors, helping to transport magnesium into the cells where it is needed most, rather than staying in the blood. If you experience loose stools, it is a clear sign you have exceeded your bowel tolerance, so simply lower the dose. For those with sensitive stomachs, transdermal magnesium oil or Epsom salt baths can be an effective alternative way to absorb it. Your skin is your largest organ and can absorb magnesium directly, bypassing the digestive system entirely to avoid any stomach upset. To recap, choose the right form, take it with dinner, start with a low dose, and listen to your body's signals. Magnesium is truly a miracle mineral, capable of transforming your health from the inside out when used with knowledge and care. Imagine a life free from muscle cramps, anxiety, and constant fatigue. A life where your body supports your dreams, not hinders them. By addressing this one deficiency, you are taking a massive step toward that vibrant reality and reclaiming your physical autonomy. Your health is your most valuable asset, and small changes like optimizing your magnesium intake can yield massive returns for your future. We encourage you to observe your body closely over the next few weeks and note any positive changes you experience. Remember, supplements are tools, but a diet rich in whole foods like seeds, greens, and nuts should always be your foundation. Try to incorporate these magnesium-rich foods into your daily meals to support your supplement routine and enhance overall nutrient absorption. Always work in partnership with your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing conditions or are taking other prescription medications. We know this is a lot of information to digest, so if you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Our community is here to support you, and hearing about your experiences helps everyone learn and grow together on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please share it with loved ones who might be suffering from these symptoms unknowingly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Pure Vital Life so you never miss our deep dives into essential health topics. We have covered the signs of deficiency, the high-risk groups, the dangerous contraindications, and the safe ways to supplement effectively. Knowledge is the first step, but action is what creates change. Take what you learned today and apply it wisely. You deserve to feel vibrant, energetic, and calm, and balancing your magnesium levels could be the key to unlocking that potential. Let your body return to its natural state of flow and balance, supported by the essential elements it was designed to use. May your nights be restful, your muscles be relaxed, and your mind be at peace as you prioritize your mineral health. Just like a plant needs the right soil to bloom, your body needs the right minerals to thrive in a stressful world. Protect your heart, soothe your nerves, and strengthen your body by giving it the magnesium support it has been craving. Whether you are young or old, it is never too late to start paying attention to the signals your body sends. Thank you for trusting us with your time and attention today. We hope this guide serves as a valuable resource for you. We are dedicated to bringing you the most accurate and practical health information to empower your daily choices and lifestyle. As we conclude, take a moment to appreciate the complex and wonderful machinery that is your own living, breathing body. Keep your inner flame burning bright by feeding it the fuel it needs, and never underestimate the power of basic nutrition. Breathe deeply, live fully, and remember that true health is a journey of continuous learning and mindful application every day. Strive for balance in all things, especially in your body's chemistry, to achieve the harmony and wellness you truly desire. From the microscopic cells to the macroscopic muscles, magnesium is the silent hero working tirelessly to keep you going strong. Stay hydrated, stay informed, and stay proactive about your health needs rather than waiting for symptoms to become severe. Your path to better health is paved with knowledge, and we are honored to walk this path alongside you every step. Tomorrow is a new day to start fresh, to make better choices, and to treat your body with the respect it deserves. Love yourself enough to give your body what it needs, and watch how it rewards you with vitality and resilience. Nature has provided us with everything we need. We simply need to learn how to access and utilize these gifts. Be like a strong tree, deeply rooted in good nutrition and flexible enough to withstand the storms of life without breaking. Enjoy the simple pleasures of movement and rest, knowing your body is supported by the master mineral it relies upon. In this fast-paced world, protecting your inner peace and biological balance is the most radical act of self-care you can do. Disconnect to reconnect. Reduce your stress inputs to save your magnesium stores for the vital functions that keep you alive. Small rituals like a warm bath or a healthy meal are the building blocks of a long, healthy, and happy life. Listen to the rhythms of nature and your own body, for they whisper the secrets of health long before you shout. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and never settle for feeling just okay when you have the potential to feel amazing. Health is not a destination, but a continuous process of nourishment, care, and adjustment to the changing needs of life. Be vigilant about what you consume, read labels, and choose products that add value to your body, rather than subtracting it. Combine your magnesium intake with gentle stretching to maximize the relaxation benefits and ensure a pain-free, restful night of sleep. Let the calm of the night wash over you, knowing you have taken the right steps to support your body's recovery. Deep sleep is where the magic happens, and magnesium is the key that unlocks the door to this restorative state. Recharge your batteries fully so you can wake up ready to tackle your goals and enjoy your life to the fullest. The journey to optimal health is a climb, but the view from the top, feeling strong and vital, is worth it. Unleash the power within you by removing the blockages caused by deficiency and allowing your natural vitality to flow freely. Joy is a natural state of being when the body's not burdened by pain, fatigue, or the fog of anxiety. Be patient with yourself, be kind to your body, and give it the time it needs to heal and repair itself. You are the gardener of your own health. Water your garden, tend to the soil, and watch your life bloom beautifully. The fruits of your labor will be a body that serves you well for decades, free from preventable pains and ailments. Make the commitment today to prioritize your mineral balance and stop ignoring the whispers of your body before they become screams. Listen to your heart, listen to your muscles, and listen to your mind. They are all guiding you toward better health. Clear the clouds of fatigue and stress from your life and step into the clear, bright light of optimal well-being. Every step you take toward better health is a victory, no matter how small it may seem in the moment. Let the knowledge you gain today wash over you and settle in, becoming a part of your daily awareness and routine. There is a solution to your cramps, your sleeplessness, and your stress. It might just be a simple mineral away. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into magnesium. We are grateful for your time and your trust. This has been a Pure Vital Life production designed to help you live your purest, most vital life every single day. Stay vital, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video with more life-changing health insights. Goodbye for now.